Hello, cooking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the Home Hero Pots and Pans set, a 23-piece non-stick granite cookware collection that's perfect for any kitchen. This versatile set is not only induction compatible but also works seamlessly with gas, electric, and glass cooktops, and it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a must-have for any home chef. With its durable, long-lasting non-stick granite interior, you'll enjoy easy food release and minimal oil usage, ensuring a healthier cooking experience that's lead and cadmium-free. The set includes thoughtful extras like 3 pan protectors, 2 cleaning sponges, and 2 pan scrapers, making cleanup a breeze and extending the life of your cookware. Designed with user comfort in mind, the ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip and are engineered to maximize airflow, so they stay cool while you cook. Built to last, this heavy-duty cookware set features a 2.8 mm thick aluminum base for even heat distribution and a corrosion-resistant construction that promises long-term durability. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect housewarming or holiday gift, the Home Hero Pots and Pans set is sure to elevate your cooking game to new heights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.